Hi, I'm Marty Norton. I'm with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of the latest listing. It's on 11 Penny Lane in beautiful Parsonsfield, Maine. And the view here is awesome. You're looking at the distant hills of Western Maine. We're looking at a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, beautiful, beautiful Cape-style home. This is built by Bushman Independent Builders. And we're going to take a look inside. Okay, the interior mudroom. First thing I notice is this nice closet here for coats and hats. Built-ins, bench to take off shoes and boots, etc. We'll go upstairs in a minute. But the first thing I notice is this beautiful red wood hardwood floors. Absolutely gorgeous. Also, all the windows are American Craftsman. Well lit. Nice views of the distant mountains, and we'll see those later. We'll check out the deck later as well. Then you have the butcher block countertops. And Hillside Lumber provides the cabinets. And they have stain resistance on them. And these are handmade shelves. Over here, we have a half bath, laundry room. Again, the red hardwood floors are throughout the entire house. Well lit with built-ins as well. You have a first floor bedroom. And as you can see, it's very spacious. Nice closet area. Hot water, baseboard heating. Now we're going to go upstairs. Okay, the second floor. First thing I notice is a nice closet area here. And you'll see that all the closets are spacious. Straight ahead, this would be considered the master bedroom. Again, beautiful floors, nice views, spacious and high ceilings. And in here would be your primary bedroom walk-in closet with built-ins. Next, we're going to go down this short little hall here, and you'll notice the full bathroom. And if you take a close look, you'll see more built-ins above where the toilet is, and also in the corner for linen products. And here is the second of 3 bedrooms. Again, all the rooms have beautiful views, and this one especially has a nice, again, a walk-in closet area with built-ins on the side. And all of the rooms are very well lit with smoke detectors as well. So next we're going to go to the basement. Okay, here we are in the basement. First thing I notice are the foundations. These were installed by Berry Foundation. We get the well pump right here. Hot water heater. Notice how high the ceilings are here. And the boiler, expansion tank, and over here is an area for a radon mitigation system if you'd like to install one. Sewer, private sewer is in the front of the house. And you have a 100 amp service here, and every single circuit is labeled. Ted Emmons is the electrical contractor here. So over this way, again, you'd consider this a daylight basement. you could still have beautiful views of those distant hills. Okay, we're gonna go outside, check out the deck. Okay, now we're looking at the distant hills of Western Maine. Absolutely gorgeous views. Back here is the leach field and septic tank. We're very close to the Fenderson Road over there in the distance. And as you can see, there's a couple of other houses here in the subdivision. My name is Marty Norton, and if you are working with a broker, feel free to give them a call and set up a showing. If you are not working with a broker, give me a call, Marty Norton, 207-408-6861, and I'm with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm a member of the Markup Real Estate Group.